ordered Domino's.
Yes, we did, and I've never been excited to open pizza.
Lydia's very excited. All right, what do we have? Looks good. She got half pepperoni and half cheese. Which, when you order cheese pizza, you order plain, and then you get the pizza, the sauce, and the cheese. If you order cheese pizza, you get crust and cheese, but no sauce. Ooh. So mine is potato and sausage and mayonnaise and also cheese and tomato sauce. I don't remember what it's called. I'm sure it's delicious. All right. Is it good, Lydia?
Mm-hmm.
So, after having a bite of the pizza, I believe that it is actually hot dog on my pizza, not pork sausage. So, there's that. It's not horrible, but it's hot dog on pizza. And look how thoughtful. The spoon is taped to the top of Lydia's cake box, and the cake box is taped closed. Yeah. And then mine is not taped, but it doesn't need to be. Looks delicious. All right, so Lydia's gonna try her chocolate cake.
Oh.
Oh. Yum. How is it?
Hot.
Is it hot?
Good.
Yeah. Let's see what the inside looks like.
This is a brownie.
It's like a molten chocolate cake, you know, the kind that has the chocolate syrup in the middle. Nice. Would you order it again? That's the important question.
Not really. It's kind of too like rich.
It's too rich. And I think we're out of milk. Are we out of milk? Okay.
Why don't we get milk?
We'll have to get some tomorrow.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you liked our videos.